Cleanroom consultants play a vital role in designing, constructing, and maintaining controlled environments, especially in highly regulated industries like pharmaceuticals and biotechnology. This video provides an overview of their functions, selection process, and contributions to GxP-related activities for clients in the life sciences sector, with a focus on biologics. Cleanroom consultants maximize efficiency while minimizing contamination risks through space planning, airflow design, and personnel flow optimization. They also advise on HVAC systems, filtration systems, and monitoring equipment to maintain required cleanliness levels. Compliance with regulatory standards is ensured, and potential contamination sources are identified and mitigated. Designing cleanroom layouts involves space planning to separate areas for different processes, airflow design to maintain consistent pressure differentials, and personnel flow to reduce the likelihood of introducing contaminants. Selecting the right equipment is crucial. HVAC systems maintain temperature, humidity, and air cleanliness. Filtration systems are chosen for proper air filtration and particle control. Monitoring systems are recommended for air quality, temperature, humidity, and particle levels. Compliance with ISO 14644-1, GMP, FDA, and EMA guidelines is essential. Cleanroom consultants ensure facilities meet these standards, which are crucial for pharmaceutical, biologics, and vaccine manufacturing. Risk assessment and mitigation involve identifying potential contamination sources, analyzing their impact, developing strategies to address risks, and implementing solutions to minimize them. Certification involves conducting tests to verify cleanliness standards. Validation ensures cleanrooms meet specifications through performance and operational qualification testing. Ongoing maintenance includes monitoring, maintenance, and training to ensure compliance. Selecting the right cleanroom consultants involves considering their experience and expertise, regulatory knowledge, technical capability, references, and adaptability to handle unique biological processes and evolving requirements. Look for consultants with hands-on experience in biologics, vaccines, and cell and gene therapies. Their familiarity with unique challenges in these areas is crucial for success. Inquire about previous projects involving similar manufacturing setups, especially with cutting-edge therapies like CAR-T. Ensure consultants are well-versed in GMP, ISO 14644-1, and specific FDA or EMA requirements for biologics, vaccines, and advanced therapies. Ask about their experience with regulatory inspections and audits, and verify they stay current on the latest changes. Review project portfolios demonstrating experience with cleanroom design, qualification, and validation for biologics, vaccines, or gene therapies. Request client references for honest feedback on performance and compliance. Look for case studies highlighting challenges faced and solutions implemented. Technical capability includes expertise in cleanroom systems, design and operational knowledge, and validation expertise. Consultants should guide in selecting, installing, and validating complex systems like airlocks and aseptic processing suites. Adaptability involves customization for advanced therapies, handling evolving requirements, and collaborating with internal teams to understand specific process requirements. FDA enforces strict GMP regulations for pharmaceutical and biologics industries, including cleanroom design and maintenance. Inspections and audits ensure compliance with these standards. EMA establishes rigorous GMP standards for cleanroom design, qualification, and operation in biologics production. WHO guidelines emphasize contamination control and cleanroom environments for manufacturing vaccines and biologics. GxP-related consultants assist with project management, CQV, CSV, and QMS design, ensuring compliance with ISO 9001, GMP, and other relevant standards. They help manufacturers maintain stringent regulations and improve processes. Project management in biologics facilities involves creating detailed project schedules, coordinating with multiple teams, and identifying potential risks related to timeline delays, regulatory changes, or unforeseen challenges. CQV oversees commissioning of new equipment to meet functional requirements. CSV ensures computerized systems used in biologics production are designed and validated according to GxP requirements. maintaining data integrity and compliance with regulations. QMS design tailored to biologics manufacturing needs involves developing systems compliant with ISO 9001 and GMP standards, establishing SOPs for key processes, and implementing continuous improvement measures. Cleanroom consultants play a crucial role in every stage of a biologics project, from design through to compliance. They ensure that biologics, vaccines, and gene therapies are manufactured in facilities that meet the highest quality, safety, and regulatory standards. Their support is essential to bring life-saving treatments to market while maintaining compliance and ensuring patient safety.